What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. I don't know if I'm gonna put two videos together and make one, or just make this its own video. So anyways, guys, y'all already know what's going on. We're getting ready to go pick up the 1972 Buick LeSabre. We got the top put on. It's time to go pick her up. Good morning, good morning. I'm getting a late start. I got this one all nice and cleaned up, and now she got to go back outside. I clay barred it, waxed it, buffed it, everything. So she is looking really, really good. Really, really good. Let me turn on that other light. Bam. Yes, sir. She's looking awesome. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go get the kids ready, and then we're gonna make sure the truck is good to go, and we'll go pick her up.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Man, it is hot out here. It is hot out here, guys. Golly. And then somebody left the sunroof open. It's burning in here. What the heck? Woo-wee. Man, guys, look. I gotta air up the tire. All right, tire's good. Now we gotta hope that the trailer is there. I hope it's there, cause I was trying to find his phone number and I couldn't find it, so hopefully it's there. If not, we're gonna have to find another trailer. Yes, sir. Let me put my seatbelt on and we'll holler at y'all when we get the trailer loaded up.
What's up, bro?
You on the vlog? What up?
Huh?
I said you on the vlog.
Hey.
What's the deal?
Yeah, I'm here. I've been watching the clock.
Where you at?
I said I've been watching the clock. I'm on my way back to the base.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got up a little late. I'm finna try to pick up the trailer right now, and then I'll be back at the house.
I should be there right around that time.
All right, that's a bit.
All right, that was it.
All right, bye.
What they talking about? I don't know.
All right, guys, we are almost here to pick up the car. I don't even know where we left off at. Where we leave off at?
Let's get in the trailer.
Yeah, we picked up the trailer. Bro, driving the truck. Yes, sir. So, yeah, we just gonna pick her up, guys, and we'll get a little feedback from my guy. See how it went. But he knocked it out. He knocked it out quick, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, guys, I don't know what I did to the freaking camera, but yes, sir, here she is. Here she is. Top is on. Looks good. Look good, y'all? Y'all ain't saying nothing? Or y'all just checking it out?
Good. Now he know it's too hot out here for all this. Daddy be tripping.
We need to make sure we shut that hood too. Hey, you in there? Hey, you can shut the car.
I can't answer the door right now, but if you want to leave a message, you can do it now.
I left my phone in there.
Hours later.
What do you think? I like it, man. It's good, man.
Oh, Is that right?
Heck yeah. Oh, the antenna.
Oh, I put it in the trunk.
In the trunk?
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Yeah, that's fine. Looks good, man. This side was kind of funny, huh?
I was pretty crazy.
So tell the people, was it easy or it was kind of difficult or what?
A little challenging.
Challenging.
Just the frame was kind of
Yeah.
side, but we got it through.
Okay. Well, tell them your Instagram and where they can find you if they need some work done.
It's Midtown Customs from Midland, Texas. Anything from auto upholstery, sunroof repairs, sunroof installations, headliner, convertible tops, carpet. Getting into the custom door panels and dashes pretty soon.
Yeah. Well, y'all go look him up. So there you go, and then the 50.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
Let me get you.
Okay.
Then we got a jump start.
Yeah.
Let me get you that.
It wasn't good. The battery was dead already.
Yeah. And also I removed the switch for the hydraulic.
Okay.
They're not installed right now, but they're just plug them in there and
Oh, the cable.
the cable.
Oh, yeah. I get it. Remember I told you I gotta mess with the wiring a little more.
Okay.
So it'll seem like it's dead, but
I think it's the battery, man.
it might be.
Because I put in the jumper right away. Boom.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just saying, dang, we gotta go put the ramps down. Let's go put the ramps down. Hey, man,
No, thank you for your patience. It took me a while, but it was a pleasure working on it, man. Me and my boy,
Yeah.
we're on it.
I appreciate
Let it hit, let the sun hit it, man.
I'll leave it outside for a while.
I'll take away all the little wrinkles that has.
Yeah.
This is the most important part right here.
Okay. Yeah.
This will go away.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Let me know if anything, bro.
Oh, yeah. I'll hit you up, man.
All right, man.
I'll bring you some more work, too.
All right, sounds good.
All right, guys, we made it. Got the car home safely. Big shout out to bro for helping us out, man. Got it home safely. I'm still debating if I'm gonna tint the windows or not. We're gonna leave the top up for a little while to kind of stretch it out a little bit more. But she's home. And it looks darker on this side now, but I mean, when you get in the sun, it starts hitting, but god dang. Woo! Yes, sir. So, we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.